I am testing a 2-ingredient cheesecake. So this is the cinnamon rolls. Now she rolled them out, but I think what I'm gonna do is smush. Just like so. So I'm gonna smush it like that, I think. I don't know. We'll see how this works. I don't know. If you guys like the way I cook, just kind of throwing it together, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video, guys? Okay, so now I'm kind of smushing it out as much filled in as I can. And so then I've got this no-bake cheesecake that I had from another recipe. Of course, I'm Tara, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake it. Spread this around. Now we got 4 more that we're gonna smush out pretty thin. So we're gonna throw this in the oven and see what happens. Okay, so here is my cheesecake, and I have frosting that I'm just drizzling over top. So this is 2-ingredient cheesecake bake or something. I don't know. What did Jack think of the cooked part?
I didn't try this. Here, Jack.
Oh, you didn't try this one? Oh, okay.
This is the 1-ingredient cheesecake
I had
for the bake.
I had DJ trying this one.
Love cheesecake, and this is really good.